Does your stir bar spin while the liquid just sits there? You adjust the speed and it doesn't work. We know how frustrating that is. Mixing shouldn't be that hard. But you still have to drag out that heavy overhead mixer. More setup, more cleanup. But what if you didn't have to switch at all? This stir bar is built differently. It's like a small propeller driving the flow, creating real circulation. Now let's compare them side by side. With a standard bar, mixing slows down as viscosity increases. With this one, you drop it in and mixing begins. No switching, no extra setup, just steady mixing. Keep your workflow simple. Let the mixer do its job, even when viscosity goes up. Test it in your lab and see the difference.